Good morning, everybody. All right, let's see what's going on. All right, so market setup got very bullish yesterday, and right now we're kind of opening flat. And 4 hour is and was very bullish still on the indexes. But the problem is causing is Nvidia. But the thing is, since Nvidia from all-time high went lower, um, it seems like money is flowing out of that and going into the other techs, into the clouds. First, it went to the clouds. Now it's going to the other names. So money is pouring into the other names because people know that um, Nvidia doesn't have that much upside right now. But other names that have been beaten down, they do have, and the money is flowing in the other names, and that's why market is not falling. Even Nvidia, like this morning, was like 120, was 2 points lower. But usually, stock market would be red, but futures were green. And so other names are making up. So there's a big rotation happening between, into the market between techs and other names. And Tesla is running crazy. So let's see what's going on. Anyhow, short day, 1 p.m. market closed. So tomorrow market is closed, and Friday we got full day, and next week we got normal week. Pre-market right now. Market was good until 7 a.m. started rolling down a little bit. 15:30 is downward. 1 hour MACD is dead cross, but it's still 4 hour very bullish upward. So every day is kind of repeat the same. Open week, red a little bit, then it opens and goes up again. So maybe does it again today. In general, weeklies are still very bullish. Daily MACD is dead cross. It was more downward MACD, but now is diverted up. And keep in mind, if the daily MACD golden crosses on indexes and many names, good morning, Amnon. Now, if the daily MACD golden crosses on many names and indexes, we can go for another bull run on indexes. We have job report on Friday, and that's a big, huge catalyst. FOMC is today. Let me just check the economic calendar again. So we have PMI at 10 a.m. Um, we have some auction at 11:30, mortgage rate at 12, and FOMC at 2 p.m. But there's no Powell, and so we'll see. We'll see if you see daily MACD golden crosses on indexes and many names, we are good to go for another July and August bullish run up. NQ 15:31 hours downward, same thing like ES. Daily MACD is flat right now with this divert up, with this run up so far we got. And once again, good golden cross confirms, we can go for a bigger run up. Dow Jones, 4 hour daily very bullish upward, need to pass all time high to get interesting. Once the weekly MACD golden cross, we can go for a bigger run up. Small caps is still hanging in there. If you draw a wedge here, you can see if you draw a wedge like this on the weekly, once it breaks out, then we can have a bigger run up. You can see here, this is a very nice wedge actually. 4 hour MACD is golden cross, so we'll see if money flows into there too. DXY going lower right now. 15:31 hour, 4 hour pointing down. Daily MACD is curved down. Big run down so far. Mid BB, if it passes that one, it's gonna be good for techs. Next targets are 105, 145. Below that, even more bullish for techs. 10-year was very bullish last few days, but right now is pulling back down. 15:31 hour, 4 hours pointing down. The daily MACD is bullish upward, so it's possible to go on up. We'll see. FOMC is today, so that's gonna have a huge effect on it. Wicks went very low yesterday, below 12.1. Again, if it goes below 12.1, market can squeeze up higher. Next major target is 11:35, but it doesn't have that much downside. So keep that in mind. 11:35 and 12.1, these are very very low range of weeks, and the lower it goes is not going to be good either, because the lower it goes, the movements in the market becomes smaller too. So we need weeks to spike, then go lower again, same like happened last few days and weeks. It went up, then went lower again, and so but in general trend is down. Daily MACD is dead cross, weekly is downward, so more bullish ahead. SPX, it's all about 5509 again. Let me fix this one. 5509 was a major level. It is a major level. Once we pass that one, we are looking for 5523, 3546, and if 46 pass, 6384. We'll see. Friday we're gonna get there. If market gets very bullish, if job report good, maybe 5600 comes. BTC went below 60K and recovered. This one is getting more bearish. Daily, weekly is downward, 4 hours pointing down, and if 60K can hold it, more bearish downward against comes. ETH, same thing, 4 hour daily, weekly is downward. Apple made a new all-time high yesterday. There saw some big calls coming in on daily MACD's golden cross, 4 hour very bullish upward, and it's all about 220.29 and 220.38 all-time high. If we do pass that one, 220.87 next major level to watch. Above that, it can run up to 222.95, 224.69, and 226.44 is the next major level. 219 if it can hold it, supports are 216 and 214. Pre-market 1531 hours pointing down, but if you see 15 MACD golden cross and pass high of the day of yesterday, good to go for a run up. Amazon made a new all-time high yesterday, but it's showing a little bit weakness pre-market. 1531 hours pointing down, 4 hour is near that cross, but it's still very bullish on daily, and you can see here weekly MACD is golden crossing, so that means the trend is getting more in general upward. It's all about 200 passes strong. Next key level is 202.41. Above that, we are good to go for a run up to 205, 210, and 216. Those are the next major levels. Above 199, if it goes below 199, supports are 197, 196, and 195. Nvidia went down as low as 120 this morning, but again, deep buyers stepped in and it came back up after 7 a.m. 1531 hours upward, 4 hours still bearish. Daily MACD is pointing down. Soon we're gonna have a red bars and a TTM squeeze, and weekly we start getting the first dark blue bar. As you can see here, if you go back, you can see here that last time we got dark blue bars, what happened? It went from like 900 to 750. So 20% downside on the Nvidia, that's a key level to watch. If it passes that one, it goes to the bear territory and more people maybe exit it. So anyhow, 120.24 and 120.76, those are the two key levels to watch. Past either one, bigger move come. About 122.76, 125.28. Below 120, we're looking at 118 and 116 lower level. AVGO is holding up very strong. A split is happening on 7:15. Exact date, yeah, it's 7:15. So it went up crazy after the earning and the split news, but it dumped hard, and then right now is doing a bounce up. So 4 hour very bullish upward, but pre-market right now it's kind of flat mixed signal. It's holding up strong, so if it runs up, we're looking at 1680, 1696. If it goes crazy, 1720 can come. Yeah, so 1642 support. If you can hold it, those are the support level to watch. Coin 220. If it can hold it, we are looking at 217, 214, 212. If it runs up to 26, 230, this is just one wild. It can go down, it can go up, so just gotta watch it intraday. Netflix 4 hour got a golden cross yesterday, but not a strong one. Earning is coming up its earning is on 7/18, so soon we're gonna start a new earning season. Need to pass 684 for a bigger run up to 690, 699, 708. But for now, it's just in a box mode between 672 and 684, running up and down. 672, 675, 679, and 684. Below 672, next support is 663. Meta. A nice jump up yesterday after weakness last 2 days, and 4 hour got a golden cross, and wasn't making a new high this morning, but market weakness is pulling back. So if it pulls back more, 507, 503 support. Below that, those are the next level. If it runs up, 511, 514, those are key level to watch. Breaks those, good to go for a run up to 515, 516, and 518. Pre-market again, 15:31 hours pointing down. So gotta be cautious. It's a half day, low volume, so be careful. It might have some big actions at open, but the rest of the day is possible to have some quietness. Um, Tesla. Tesla is entering into a parabolic move. What is a parabolic move? This is what parabolic move is. That's parabolic. So it's entering in the parabolic phase of its run up. Yesterday, 20 points up, and then today another. It went almost to two. It hit 240, 10 points up. So long calls are the best. And earning is coming up on 719, I think. Let me just double check that. Yeah, 723 is the earning. The best is calls after the earning. Those are the safest. For now, 1530 is pointing down. 1 hour MACD is dead cross after this big run up. So maybe some volatility at open, but 4 hour very bullish. Daily, weekly, these are very, very bullish. So 237.09, 237.9, that's a key level to watch. If it does break that one, next major levels, its next target is 239, 242, and 246. I'm gonna show you the major levels: 246, 256, 260, and 270, 266, and 272. If this parabolic goes crazy, 272 can come. Yeah. So let's just fix that one. Supports are 233, 232. If it goes below 232, not gonna be good. Lower levels can be tested. But yeah, this one is on the run. Microsoft, every day new all-time high. It goes lower, it comes back up. Very bullish on daily and weekly. 4 hour very bullish. Pre-market right now 15:31 hours pointing down. 457 if it can hold it. We're looking at 453, 451 worst case scenario. 459, 461. Those are the next major level. Need to pass for bigger run up. About 461. Next major levels are 467, 471, 476. It seems like Microsoft is gonna be the first company to hit $4 trillion market cap. Google, 15:31 hours pointing down, 4 hours kind of flat. It's still very bullish on daily and weekly. 185.66 pass, 186.76 next major level. Need to pass all-time high at 186 for bigger run up. 186, once it passed 186, next major level is what? 197 to 8. Yeah. But Google makes very small moves. Makes like a very big move once in a while, but usually you can see from the premium prices that it's not known for making like a 10 points move a day. 184, 183 supports. Below that, those are the next support level to watch. AMD was very hot yesterday. It jumped up at open, and then end of the day it was bigger jump up. It was very nice running. 4 hour MACD, 4 hour very bullish. Daily is very bullish upward, and the weekly finally we start getting first yellow bar. It's all about 164.46. We need to pass that one for bigger run up. 164.46 pass. We're looking at 165.8, 167, and 170. Earning is coming close, so maybe it's doing a pre-earning run up. Earning is the end of July, so even though Nvidia is weakening, the AMD is kind of starting to bounce up. So keep an eye on AMD. SMCI opening flat. Daily and weekly are still bearish downward. 4 hour MACD got a golden cross. That's interesting. Keep an eye on that. This one, 853 is a key level to watch. Past that one, 870, 899, 928. 830 if you can hold it. 807, 793 support. SPY. SPY. So this one is more run up. 550, 552, 553 if it passed all time high of 550. 548 if you can hold it. 547, 545 is next support level. QQQ. 487, 488 next major level. All time high not too far. Actually, it did make a new all time high pre-market, and we'll see if it's gonna pass it again. So 488 if it passed, 489, 491 next major level. If it pulls back, 485, 483 supports. IWM, nothing exciting. 203 need to pass to run up to 206. What else? ARM. Was nice running up yesterday. If runs up more, 165, 167, next major level. Below 161, support. Those are the next support level. MSTR, keep an eye on this one. Is getting close to bottom. If BTC bounce up, just keep an eye on it. What else? JP Morgan making a new all-time high every day. Next major levels are 212 and 219. What else you got here? Um, that's Baba and Bidu are on run up. They yesterday jumped up big, 4 hour very bullish. Daily MACD is curved up. So this one, Baba, watch 74.45, 75.37 next major level. Above 75, we're looking at 76, 78, and 79.65 next major. Bidu gap up open. This one is very strong too. We are looking at 89.05 and 90.9. Those are the next major level. 4 hour very bullish, 1 hour very bullish upward, and daily is curved up. So 90 is possible to come by next week, if not today. What else? Gold is running up. This one, if more run up, 220.04 is the next major level, 222.53. And Tesla, I did too. Just roll back the live, you will see Tesla. Thank you so much and have a beautiful day.